Hey guys, this is Gabe Dawson with my gameplay with every gun Black Ops series. And I am doing the Uzi. I hate it so flippin' much. So I think I'm gonna do grip because there's so much kick on it. I just hate it. But okay. So my kill streaks are attack helicopter, Blackbird, and dogs, I think. I don't know, last time I played this game was quite a long time ago. So yeah. Those are my kill streaks, and that's what I will be doing. So I have a bit of a cough, so I'm gonna cough a couple times in this wow gameplay. Okay. Okay, I guess I just got a double kill. Olympia! Boom, boom! No, they will come over here. Aha! I think there was someone there. Oh, that must have been him. Wow! I thought I put my claymore dared. That was that. Oh my god. I just really hate the Uzi. Maybe not the Scorpion. Maybe it's this that's my least favorite gun. Oh my god. See how much like little firepower it has and so much kick? Just sucks balls. Like, not human balls. Talk about it. Yeah, never mind what I just said. Dang it, I was just about to knock. Aha! I'll stun you so you don't get out of there. Dang it, he still got out. Whoa. Is he over here? No, that's the other dude. What? Maybe it's coming up the stairs. Of course it does that. I'll have to throw it back. Oh, snap. Oh, just so I know, I'm gonna look over here. Python with the ACOG site. Hey, where is it? Snap. Oh, snap. Dang it! Now they're gonna take my care package. They usually suck at placing inventory, so I'm not too worried. Oh, snap. Oh, I hate this gun so much. It has so much kick, and it's like so inaccurate. It's like trying to maneuver poo. Holy cow. Oh snap, I'm already out of ammo. See, and it has low ammo. Sucks balls. Just gotta keep that guy waiting, dang. I'll claim one there then. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh my god. Ugh. Rage on little children. Seriously? Okay. I don't know how that got up there. Whatever. Wait! Snap, I just missed. Oh, I hate this gun so much. So I have 2 sentry guns. There we go. Then I put one right there. Okay, that is a really bad place to put sentries, but that is okay. Oh, snap! No. Aha. I see you. You cannot hide from me. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Dang it! Ooh, double kill. Oh my god. Hey, job. Good job, sentries. You're doing good. Okay. How about I go over here? Aha. Aha. So I have sentry gun, blackbird, and dogs, not a attack helicopter. Sorry, I just kind of screwed that one up. Oh, hey, bro. Oh, snap. Oh, they destroyed both of my sentries. Oh, snap. I might buy more. Okay. Now I have even ballistic knives. Oh, snap. Okay, good. Oh, snap. That one had 1 knife and like a million dudes there. Hey! You just killed my dog! Why, you little suckers? You killed my dog. Little sucker. Kill it. Whee! Totti, 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 da 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 da, please. Okay, it's gonna be a longer one because I suck with this gun so much. Hey! 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 Don't touch this! Bitch. Dang it! Dang it! I knew there was a guy behind me, but there's also a guy there. And brought. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out. Booms! That was dumb, sorry. Okay. Now, where are you? Oh, there you are. There you are. There you are. Damn it. Okay. No, you take out my sentry. I'm gonna kill you now. I'm going to kill you. Dang it, I missed. Huh. What? Did that kill him? Oh my god, if it did, that's gonna be so awesome. I think it did. No, that didn't. Okay, so I hurt him. Then I threw that. That actually killed him. Oh my god. That's funny. Yeah, I'm over 40 though. I don't think I'd mock anything, so it doesn't really matter. If I do, I really don't care. Okay, so see you guys later. Keep Dawson signing off.